Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about JSW Ispat. In last few hours back, I made one video about a standalone result and it was a mind-blowing result. Now we are going to discuss about the remaining part in the result about the company's liabilities and also company's asset. So what are the improvement happened during this time? And there is one more major update came in BSE in all the exchanges after the result. You can see here in the evening just around 9:920 this news was published. You can see that during this board meeting, company's all-time director has been changed. Tirukotishwaran Mohan Babu is going to be taken charge from 1st of June. So this is a normal procedure, and they have intimated to the exchange. So let us go to the remaining part of our result. Right to use asset has been increased. You can see before it was 29.58 percentage, and now it is 43.84. This is a good sign for a company. And the investment has been changed. You can see here before it was 0.59 crore, and now it becomes closer to 1 crore. So it is 0.92 crore. So and the investment also it got almost 2.5% times. You can see before it was 24.34, and now it becomes 65.47 crores. So there is a huge change in the investment has happened. So it's a good sign also. And you can see the other part of the result. So the total company's asset got increased. You can see here the current asset before it was 1225.38 crores, and it becomes 1550 crore point 90 crore. So there is a huge change, and the total company's asset becomes 1487.36 crore instead of 4761 crore. So almost 200 crore difference was happened to this. This is a good sign. And you can see the share capital remains same. There is no change to the share capital. And you can see the other equity got reduced. So it means like bond and all, it got reduced. Before it was 490.46 crore, and now it becomes 387.3 98 crore. So it's a good sign also in the result. And the borrowing, that's a major part we have to discuss. You can see the borrowing remains same. You can see the liability remains same, and you can see here there is no changes to that. But you can see the long term this thing. You can see the liabilities before it was 367.63 crore the short term borrowing, and now it becomes 224.73 crores. There is 100 crore reduction was happened. So the company is reducing their debit. That's also a good sign. And the company's asset is getting increased, 200 crore increase. So it's a good sign also. And while we are going to the this thing, um, a consolidated result, now you can see here there is a major change happen here. The profit you can see here before it was in the standalone it was 89 crores, and now it becomes 92.94 crores. So it means company has reduced their debit. It means the interest has been reduced here while they are coming to the consolidated this thing. So that's the reason. So here the increase was happened 92.94 crore, and you can see the earning per share got increased. So in the standalone it was 1.7 1.91 crore, and now it becomes 1.99, sorry, 1.99 per share. And before in the standalone it was 1.9 1.72. So there is change happened there. So that's also a good sign. So I believe the current result is a mind-blowing result, as we discussed. And also the consolidated result also perform good. And the company has reduced their debit, and also company has increased their asset as well as the investment. So this is a good sign for a company, and surely we can achieve our target of 125 to 135 in short term, and the 500 target is achievable target for long term. So kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. If there is any major update, I'll come up with that. Thank you very much.